CFL is a very unique, large-scale structural engineering testing facility. And we have capabilities in construction, structural engineering, and geotechnical engineering, all at a very large scale. The most unique feature of CFL is that we work seamlessly between the worlds of research, academia, and industry, and also our government partners who may be regulators in the code or transportation spaces. We have many experiments we do here that would be very difficult to execute elsewhere. This beam I'm leaning against right now is a good example of that. It's a 70-foot long, 70,000-pound precast concrete beam. It was produced externally at a precast plant, one of our partners on the project. We trucked it here to the laboratory, and we have the capability to design, manufacture externally, handle, move, rig, and then experimentally test this very large beam. Most of what we do is fairly ambitious, so we're taking on projects that they're here in the laboratory because they don't have obvious solutions, right? They need to be studied, they need to be researched, and then hopefully they are implemented because of that.
On the student side, it's a lot more collaborative than you would otherwise see in a lot of different labs. So some different labs at universities, the student might come to you with the test setup they want to run, and they'll say, here you go, I'll see you in 2 weeks as you put this together. That's not how we run the lab here. It's a lot more collaborative from start to finish. And then our equipment sets us apart very well as well. So we have the capacity to apply tremendous amounts of load. We have the ability to move very large test specimens. There's a lot of opportunities for students to run tests or help with tests that aren't directly related to their research. So in your 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, 6 years that you're here, you're not just exposed to your one test setup, you're exposed to easily 20 or 30 different products that, again, would set our lab apart because we do go through a variety of different products here.
They have a shake table test, they have an environmental chamber, so they have very unique equipment that you cannot find in other labs in the US. And especially for earthquakes, you can replicate the ground motions and you can observe how structures will behave.
I think a unique feature of the CFL, first of all, is its personnel. I think our lab manager, Greg Lucier, has 3 degrees from the department and has the ability to design very unique test specimens and guide and mentor our students. And secondly, I think a unique feature is just the range of topics and materials that we can cover. Full-scale reinforced pre-stressed concrete beams, material level testing, and a wide range of different material types, including timber and masonry, concrete and steel. I think in terms of the future vision for the CFL, I think I would like us to remain at the forefront, at the cutting edge of using new technologies for instrumentation, for types of loading, for types of systems, structural systems, materials. And I think that would keep us at the forefront compared to competitive labs around the country.
I feel very lucky to be here in this lab and to be able to perform this test and learn so much about everything, even construction and the use of these equipments.